Now, in quantifying kaning kuan, steel reinforcement, no, na mga suggestions. Unsa man. The main reinforcement of post, column, beam, girder, and the like structures are determined by simple direct counting method. Direct counting method gani is kuan. Direct lang yun nga, giihap yun nimo. Kung sa'yo naa sa kuan, kung sa'yo naa sa site, then kung sa'yo naa sa plan, then imo lang sang ihap. And do not forget though to include the additional length for the hook, the bend, and the splices, and as well for end lapping of the joints. And for other reinforcement parts such as the lateral ties, stirrups, spirals, dowels, cat bars, and the like should be treated or estimated separately one at a time, taking into consideration the additional length for the hook, bend, and splicing length. So, mo ni siya, no? Mo ni nakakutig yun kay, imo pa na i-determine no silang kuan. Imo ning, apil yun mong ihap ni, dili ni mo ning pasagdan kay, daghan ba yung lateral ties, daghan stirrups, no? Spirals and dowels. After knowing the length of the lateral ties, stirrups, and other similar parts, select the steel bars from various commercial length of 6 meters to 13.5 meters long, where these cut bars could be obtained avoiding or minimizing unnecessary extra cuts. So, muna rin, no, magpili na din ka after determining then the cut or the length kada stirrup or kada ties is imo din karon if unsa nga length commercial length of the rebar ang imong gamiton from 6 meters to 13.5. So ato na ipakita later if wala ka specify lugar nga rebar nga gamiton is nga length rebar lang gagamiton is unsay mo ang buhaton. Considering its cost, tie wire for reinforcement joint is a big item in large construction. So as well, no, si tie wire is apilon gyapon nimo for the saan siya ka ng estimation. So, man siya ang commercial length. Actually, it was already presented. No? The length of rebars available in the market, we have 6 meters, 7.5 meters, 9 meters, 10.5 meters, 12 meters. Okay. So, ano to siya? And now we are already on the calculation for the reinforcement sa CHB. So, actually, dali lang siya, no? So there are three different ways, no, where we can determine, no, where we can quantify the reinforcement of the CHB. We have kaning direct counting method, no, diretsohon nimo ihap pila ang nagamit, no, kada layer, kada height. And then we have also the area method. You just get the area of the wall and then multiply to some factor. And as well, unit block method. Unit block is, pasabot lang ani is per hollow block per CHB. So, pasabot kung ano yung total number of CHB and then multiply nimo sa unit block. That is just unit block. So, para mas dali, no, ato siyang kwanon. Ato, let's have the example. So, si DCM daw is somewhat difficult, no, medyo kuti siya. So, let's have the example dayon. Okay, this is the area method. This is the table. These are the factors that we are going to use to quantify the rebars sa CHB or sa CHB or sa wall. So we have two, we have vertical reinforcement and horizontal layer. Now this is the standard spacing for the vertical reinforcement, like 40 centimeters, 60 and 80 centimeters. And then this is the per square meters or area. And then this is the atong unit block, no, or per block. Unit block is just equal to per block. So kada block, ang length ni vertical bar is ingani. That is just the point of the per block. And then kani siya is per layer. So sa man per layer, di ba naka-layer mo na sa HB. So 2 layers pasabot, mag-layer sa kagduha ka sa HB, ay din ka magbutang og horizontal bars. 3 layers is tulo sa ka layer of CHB, ay ka magbutang og horizontal reinforcement. 4 is the 4 layers ay magbutang og horizontal reinforcement. So let's proceed with the example. Aron masabta na to. So for this one, we are going to use the area method. So step 1 yun is for this example, pila daw ko na ang number of CHB, vertical reinforcement if naka-space at 80 centimeters, and horizontal reinforcement if every 3 layers pod ang naa. So first is we are going to get the area of the wall. So sa area there is a wall, we have the 4 meters times, so we have 2.6, no, and then we have the NGL, and then panaog dayon just above the footing, that is 40 centimeters. So that is 2.6 So this is 3 meters, no? Ganun 3 meters man. That is 2.6 meters plus katong nasa ilaw sa yuta at 0.4 meters. So this is 12 square meters. So ang number of CHB, no, if you remember, di ba? We have 12.5 pieces of CHB per square meters. You just multiply that with 12 square meters. Then overall nga kuan 10 by 20 by 40 CHB na kay makuha nga 150 pieces of CHB. So ana matik na kabalo na tana. Second is the vertical reinforcements. Ay dali ra gyapon kaayo ni. The length of the vertical reinforcement is equal to, so area method man, so we have the 12 square meters times the factor. So pila may factor for the vertical reinforcement? Let me erase the text, packling up and or ink. So ang spacing is 80 man daw, 80 centimeters. So sa ato pa, if per square meter, we multiply it with 1.6. Okay, so 12 square meters times 1.6, no? This is meter per wall area. So the length is equal to 19.2 meters. This is for the vertical reinforcement. Now for the horizontal nga reinforcement, ang length po niya is same. You just get the area 12 square meters times the factor. So pila man ang factor ato? Yeah, ayun man siya every 3 layers. Yeah, kay per square meter man to siya. So we're going to use 2.5. So times 2.5 meters. So the length required for the overall length no required for the horizontal reinforcement is 25.8 meters. Karon wa pa tanahuman diha. Nganong wala pa man tanahuman, sir? Kuha sa nato ang total length. So total length is 19.2 meters plus the 25.8 meters. That is equal to 45 meters. And then, let's say, ang gamiton is 6 meters length ka bar. So pila ka, 6 meters nga length ka bar atong gamiton. So you just divide 45 with 6 meters per length. Ano 6 meters per length? Kay ang gigamit diri is 6 meters man nga bar. So atong makuha diri is 7.5 or say order 8 pieces of 10 mm diameter bar by 6 meter length. So, ano din siya? So, sa top for this specific wall, kinanglan ka og 8 ka buok na 10 mm bar, nga 6 meters ang length. Mani ang pasabot dili. Sir, nganong gi-round up ng 7.5? Nganong gi mo siyang 8? It is because kaning di man ka makapalit og katunga ni 6 meters on the market. Ang available man ni market is minimum is 6 meters. Sa ato pa, 8 imong paliton, dili po 7 kay makuwangan man ka. So magpalit kag 8 ka bars aron mahuman nimo ang kuan ang wall construction. Yan ara si area method, dali ra kayo. Now, ang second is the unit block method. So sa unit block, so di ba we have the number of CHB, pila man to, 150 pieces. Actually, factor ra gyapon ni siya, no? For the vertical reinforcement, no, the length is equal to 150 pieces times the factor nga naa sa table. So sa table, actually nato 0.128 dito, no, meter per piece or per block. So actually, this is as well at 19.2 meters. And for the horizontal reinforcement, the length is so 150 pieces times 0.172 meters per block or per piece. So that is equal to 25.8 meters. So same ra gyapon. You just continue, total length is at 45 meters, di ba? And then the number of Bars then is just 45 meters divided by 6 meters per length. And then, what to siya? Overall, order din ka og 8 ka 10 millimeter bar, 10 millimeter diameter bar by 6 meters long. Mo na ni siya ang imong quantity for the CHB wall.